the back of the lesion and you bandage it, within 8 hours there is antibiotic contamination on those teats. Okay? So regardless of how much you're putting on, whether it be 2 or 25, 100% of teats are contaminated, and they're finding it in the milk. Okay? This is work that was done in the States because they were worried about the number of failures that they were getting with Oxytet in the milk. Okay? And now it's changed the whole way that they deal with Oxytet over there. So foot trimmers now cannot buy it over the counter. They can only get convex and 2 gram aliquots. So why do we need a powder? We've got this. Licensed, no milk withhold. So why don't a lot of people use it? Really? Okay, so it's a carrot here with digital dermatitis, albeit a small lesion. Okay? Picked her up in the parlour, brought her into the crush, treated her twice. On the 3rd day, they'd gone. 1 treatment per day. So it's about cleaning off the lesion, so wash it with water, dry it gently, don't scrub it, spray it, leave it for 30 seconds and spray again. But I know you're going to say to me, that's a really, really small lesion, okay? And this is from the study that we finished yesterday, okay? I can tell you that we treated about 25 cows with active lesions, of which 22 had healed within 3 days, okay?